The Academy for Radiology and Biomedical Imaging Research is an advocacy organization committed to advancing research in medical imaging. Our membership consists of leadership from academia, imaging societies, industry, and patient advocacy groups who all share a common focus, which includes the investment of federal research dollars for medical imaging and improving patient care.
It's a great opportunity to bring colleagues together to formulate ideas of where the important questions are in our field, how we can create good messaging around those questions, and how we could advocate for resources to be able to investigate and answer those questions. It also brings us together so that we can all speak with the same voice, and that makes us way more powerful than we could ever be if we were speaking alone.
It is kind of the one place that we bring together chairs of departments, leaders of academia, patients, the government, and it is completely invaluable. There is no way that we could do the things that we need to do without such a forum to be able to really have these types of discussions that we have.
First and foremost, we are the advocacy organization that represents the academic research community, the community that looks at how we can advance research in imaging and biomedical imaging.
It's an advocate for funding, making sure that Congress looks at the budget of the NIH, but specifically funding for radiology research.
We've put together resources to engage young investigators, to engage investigator communities that are involved, not only our academic communities, but industry communities and government, regulators and other government influencers.
We find value in the Academy from both the advocacy point of view in helping to organize and promote research specifically with medical imaging, but also to help develop the next generation of investigators who get to learn about how federal funding is managed, how to go about getting their ideas advanced into practice.
The original mission of the Academy was to figure out a way to increase funding for radiology research. I think we have an opportunity to dig in that a little deeper, lean into that, so that we work together to truly bring more funds available to do research together in a collaborative sense. And we should be able to move that forward as we get more direct linkages with Congress, for instance.
So the Academy is so important to the future of radiology. With its advocacy for increased funding for imaging research and biomedical engineering research, it really helps us do what we need to do for patients.